guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. As always, I'm glad you're here. So as I already told you in the last few videos, that the plan of this winter is to prepare my Suzuki for the next year's racing. And look at this. We already made some big progress and did quite a lot of work. We removed all the fairings, all of the parts, and we have plenty more work to do. To be completely honest with you, I have no experience in fixing our bike. Probably if I would do it myself on the second lap on the track, the bike would fall into pieces and the season would be over for me. But that's why my friend should come and help me with everything. So the plan for this winter is to be able to get some basic knowledge about the bikes, and maybe, who knows, next season maybe I will prepare this bike all by myself. But yeah, so actually, as you can see, we removed the engine. This bike is quite old and the engine was never been checked, so I don't know in what kind of condition it is. So the plan for today is to remove the head and try to reassemble it and renew if needed. But yeah, so we will just wait for my friend to come. So my friend already came. Say hello.
Hello guys.
So we will start some work. Nothing seems to be professional in here. We want to remove the oil from the engine.
Remove the oil.
We don't know how to do it, so he's trying to rip apart the garage and manage to do it. Do you need my help in here or not?
Maybe not. Fuck, motherfucker.
I can hold it from behind. Don't ignore me. Speak.
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 I speak. Oh, jetzt war das die Spielfälle.
Strong man, no problem.
Strong man, no problem.
For now it's an easy job because I cannot break anything, but later on when we remove the head, then I think we will have to be more careful. So we removed two bolts and now it should remove easily. Okay. You live and learn, live and learn. This looks like I know what I'm doing. Camera guy trying to be funny. We're going to bring the head to the workshop, so we have to remove all of the unnecessary parts, so that's the part we are doing. But as I can see, it's quite hard. We forgot the magnet, so we have to use the lighter. But it works, so that's good. So, finally the head is on the table and it's ready to be taken to the workshop to do a valve clearance, seals and etc. But yeah, you will see much more videos of me fixing my bike. Finally I will have an opportunity to clean every bit of the engine. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to see my future videos. Also subscribe to my other channels as Instagram, TikTok. I will leave all the details down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. As always, kisses. Bye.